In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in GTA 4. Check my video description for the save file download link. Take this link under file name. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open GTA 4 and open the save game. Now press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and you click on OK. Go back to app data, open roaming, EMU saves, GTA 4 random number, and this is a game progress. We need to back up before dropping this. Create a new folder, name this folder backup GTA 4, and then drop these files inside the GTA 4, and then drop the 100% save file in this location, and now start the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and go to stats. And in general, you can able to see game progress finished 100%. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.